Okay, folks, here's my makeup
Oh, I like that one.
over
That's cute. I'm sorry.
60.
Let it just blow you. Just.
Yes, darling. Hey, folks, on this video, we are talking about the items I purchased on resale. And I'm going to start with this jacket that I love. So the jacket came by itself, but what I always do, I try to find about 3 other things that I could wear with it. I love this jacket. Now it's a little big, but I'm gonna move the buttons over. I found this St. John knit skirt that I also bought for resale. I found another not so well-known brand skirt, and it's all going to work with this jacket that I may have paid $20 for. I love how it's cinched at the waist, but you can see the buttons are out here, but I'm going to switch the buttons up. I also got this duster. Now this is a duster, but I'm going to wear it as a dress. I'm going to take a belt and wrap it, and I love animal print and I love wrap. So this duster that may have been about $10 is going to be one of my favorite dresses. And then I got this cool leather jacket. Look at that, it's a little crop leather jacket. It may have been $20, $25, and I love it. I'm gonna get good use out of it. I seldom wear leather jackets, but I thought this was kind of cool. And so these came from a label. I think this came from Savage, Chic Savage. I'll figure it out. And then again, I got this jacket. It came by itself because I always can make a suit out of a jacket. So I got this jacket, and I have like about 3 cream skirts or off-white. So I got this jacket, I just pulled together all my skirts, and it made me a nice little suit. So, you know, I love resale. Do resell as much as you can. I'm gonna come back and show you how I put the skirt with the jacket and of course this big hat. Now this is something that's fall, late spring with this type of wool here, but I'm gonna get my use out of it. I can see it with a pair of winter white pants, winter white dress underneath, winter white skirt. Resale, we always say do not wear your bank on your back. So check back to see all the things I have done with my resale items. You can also go on our site too, because sometimes I will buy some items, and if I can't use them, I will put them on Ola's Closet on yourstylishways.com. Consignment or resale jacket. And I told you, when you purchase something, whether it's consignment or not, or resale, find at least 3 things that you can wear it with. I showed you the flare skirt. Here is the pencil skirt, and I have a pair of pants. I put on a pair. I put on a cream pencil skirt. That way you can take this lightweight wool jacket from the beginning of fall into spring by wearing the cream skirt, and then I put on a more spring hat. And so the jacket, I'm thinking $18 to $20 it was, but look how many outfits I can get. I can wear cream pants, a cream skirt, a black skirt, black pants, a flare skirt like you see in one of the photos. But come back to our YouTube channel. I have all kinds of great ideas for the woman, as we say, as a part of our Your Stylish Ways brands, the woman who does not want to wear her bank on her back. The flare jacket. So check back with us. You can go to our yourstylishways.com, or better yet, to really see the videos, go to the New Network TV on YouTube. And these pouches that I love so much, that we give away every year for our leadership awards, we actually sell them. So email me at ola@yourstylishways.com or leave a message so I can get you one. I love these. ever since I purchased them the very first time, I must have purchased about 50 more, if not more than that, for our leadership awards. Okay, yourstylishways.com or the New Network TV. Bye-bye.
Oh, your stylish ways.